So on the way, the tiger is telling like we all should be very careful because COVID-19 situations where we have to maintain social distancing and
now who is going to conclude the story? But even with a simple gadget you have, you can make the children to add on to, you can make them to present, them to participate, and finally you can conclude or compliment what they have done.
How it positively or connected to you? How was it before going to the World Cafe breakout room? Can you just put again? Is the practice?
So now, see, we'll be these days because of the lockdown. We are not able to travel places. Okay, so what we will do is that we will send you to different places. Though the number of the people are less, we will be visiting only 3 places. We will go to maybe Singapore, New York, and Bangkok. Okay, from Singapore, you will be going to New York. Okay, from New York, Sonia will be going to Bangkok. From question, when you are going to the next room, the second question will be 3 best practices you can follow to ensure that students engaging in the e-learning is done well. These things. Here discuss. Maybe I'll try to send somebody else also here. Okay.
Different ideas I got, and we have to be in their shoes, especially in this crisis time. Their mind should be free and they should enjoy. They should not have boredom. So we have to do our homework, how to motivate them. So that kind of thinking, the many ideas I got. It was really useful. Thank you.
Good, good. Now, anybody else? The experience of who was the next leader in the group? Ms. Dhiru, come on.
Yes, sir. I shared the idea with Jennifer, ma'am. So this was a learning experience. But my request is to you is like on this platform we have done this such kind of activity. Please tell us how we can do this activity with the students as well.
Sure. I hope how to take our children to Singapore.
Yeah, we'll yes. do that. We'll do that. Next, I'm going to tell you. Now, others also can. Sister Jennifer, you can talk. You can talk now.
Thank you, sir. It was a good experience. Dhiru ma'am was my leader, and we shared. And I guess the question what we got is how to engage the children. That was our discussion. So I think the day we started online class, I think everyone was finding it difficult to continue with. But maybe by the second or third day onwards, all were trying to find out new methods of teaching, new techniques, and they were learning from others.
It was really wonderful.
Good.
And I was saying that children are missing their friends very much. Because in the real format, the school is not working, and they may in these smaller windows will try establishing some emotional connect also with their friends. They will be given an opportunity to speak to each other because the group happens to be a small with one of the leaders from them itself, and they would really like it, I'm sure.
I think I agree with all of them because when we have these smaller groups, the teacher can also personally interact with them because you get a lot. I'm in charge of.
There you have to click the breakout room, and when you click the breakout room, you will be able to see start breakout room manually or automatically. You have got the option to start it manually or automatically. You can do it manually also. You can do it automatically also. That is, breakout rooms. Click the breakout room in the meeting and select the number of rooms you want to. Suppose you want 4 people each room or 5 people each room, you can you allocate the number automatically or manually. Manually, you have got the option to send each person to suppose some 2-3 people they will be disturbing in the same room. You can send them to different rooms manually, and who all participants should be in what all rooms. You have got the option to choose. You can exchange people from group to group, and you can suppose one person you assign as a leader. You have got the option to exchange that person from that room to the other room. So like that, room is open. There's option saying that open all the rooms. Open all the rooms, and when the room is open, everybody will be going, and then you have got the option to broadcast also. I had sent you the message. I had broadcasted. Yeah, you have got only one.
Handling different classes based on building engagement among students and especially putting the creativity on in their parameters and their involvement in various classes. Like you are more in your camera, you're actually watching them. What are the things they are doing? The same way, that kind of connect, you can also put it in exactly this in breakout rooms also. And the creativity and the involvement and collaborative learning.
Yes.
This my browsing screen has come there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is there. See, Padlet is, I have created a pad where I can share with my students, and their ideas they can share with me. So I'm deleting some of these, that your ideas can be shared here. So I'm sharing these infant ideas or things like that. So that you can use this one. This is a beautiful what you call tool the teachers can use. Is a Padlet.
External things can be adapted to our platform, even whether it is Zoom or whether it is, I think it is also applicable with some other, even any other platform, especially with Manna or anything can be done. So
this note down this number 868289 on the screen. In the screen you are seeing the number, no? 868289. Can you see this number? Yes, word wall, question, play, assessments. Yes. For creating that, you have to go to mentimeter.com.
I'm typing it.
You have to instead of Menti in the browser, you have to Mentimeter. Okay, Mentimeter.com. That is Mentimeter.com. When you open the account, you have to open an account. Maybe with your Google or Facebook or your email, you open your account, and there you will be, when you open the account, you will be asked to create new presentation. There you can present any number of questions. Simply a pad, simply create a whiteboard. There you make your question, and when you are doing your classroom, you will be able to present it. That time Anthony is,
yes.
We three together, we are three institutions together working. That is, Rollins Group is the international peak time performance group, and about today also I caught him now because he was sorry in a Facebook live with 1,000 people internationally. But people from 40 countries were joining, so it's very difficult to get Vipin in this platform. So I got thank Vipin for being with us for this time and doing this thing, and we together do this. Along with that, we need a learning management tool for the schools, learning management system. So Manna learning management tools, that is the associate of us. We three together are doing this. And so I just want Anthony to speak about the learning management tool of Anthony's little, because there are unique things which other well-known tools are not able to give, are there with him. So Anthony, please.
Dashboard itself, you can see all types of the results they have, whatever they have done in, that also result. So all the statistics, if you see the, if you have done a particular, the grading will come, and if you wanted to see for a particular semester or maybe in a particular quarter, how their performance is there can also see the statistics of the students. Different test has been done, you can see it. There is a course name is there in a particular course, what has happened, and what are the tests in the first test, second test, what was the duration and how many attended it, who got the score, and also all those things, all the questions, names, how many they attended, what are the scores, and overall score, overall statistics of the school, how many scored more than 80% or something. So everything will come here. And also you can see, who has attended, who has attended and who has not attended the, that particular, examination. So everything will be in the system. You don't have to get out of the system to, see that one. So here you can just see it. The grading also. A particular student, what is the rights are available. The students can come and just see it in their own time, and when they have a good connectivity, they can just come and see it. And at the same time, teachers can schedule a conference. If we can integrate the Zoom in that platform, we can integrate the Google Meet there, and if the Google Classroom is there, that link also we can put it, integrate the Google Classroom, but the link can be put, and at the same time all these facility can be used. Or there is a conference platform, or just I showed that one. It's very equally good, and that can also be used. So these type of things should be there for any education institution that will be. So good part is almost like a one-time investment, and you can use it for next year also. Whenever you want the same lessons, the teacher can use it with adding or subtracting something. The whole system can be used for the school. Over to you.
Thank you, Anthony, for that beautiful sharing. So one thing I appreciate is that Anthony's product is a one-time course, but very well-known world players are there, but you have to pay every year. And one thing, still you are afraid of this security part, and again the evaluation and assessment part. These are the very beautiful things which even the international players lose. Anyway, it's all up to all of us. Would you like to share something about what you can offer in the future?
Yeah, I can, with this FATA, and of course with the delegates, have some kind of a master trainer training programs, kind of a MDT program is also we are planning. This will be a 3 days program, around 4 to 6 kind of a timing will be there, because more and more other tools are there. Such programs also there, one side. And as a special plan for your school, like Ms. Sonia mentioned that, could you extend your support? Yes, we have the system, because you are well aware about the various basic platforms or some creative platforms. At the same time, various other things need to be added with the need based on the needs. So we are actually, we can do certain for the virtual teacher effectiveness training program in your school, or for your school, exclusively for your teachers, or for your, based on the involvement of the principal and manager, we can definitely conduct it. And virtual student study skills program.
Somewhere where we can help you in the future, something you expect from us, you can start speaking. Yes, start anybody.
Good evening. Fantastic training for the 2 days. We got energized with your various inputs, and how to approach the students. The way in which you approached us, it was really great. We could sense the vibrant energy in you. And the same way, we have to pass on the energy to our children, and also we have to train our teachers. All positive thinking and innovative ideas and utilization of various resources available on the internet, and introducing Mr. Anthony with his LMS software. So it has made us to think. It is an eye-opener, in fact. And see, normally in training programs, we attend training programs. The moment we log out of the training program, we forget things. But in this case, if we forget things, the purpose will not be served. So, when
I entered into the program, I just came without any expectation. I was absolutely having no clue about the agenda of this program, about the modules being discussed. So everything just had come out with a pinch of surprise. So it had actually made me more enthusiastic. I wanted to see what next. It was really a wonderful program. and all the games which we have played and everything which we have learned, I'm sure that if they are practically conducted into the classrooms, are going to be more and more beneficial for the kids as well as for the teachers. Kids would be engaged.
This Padar group, now they have got a very good culture. Everywhere, even every classroom in the 120 schools each, every classroom look alike.
Yeah.
Anyway,
No, it's absolutely a very good organization.
Yeah.
Very